Here we are to do a demo video of one group Conti machine. Left hand side here. And down below you got your main power. Down is off. Turn it up and on. Single shot, single short shot, single double short shot. You got a large shot and double large. Your program button, you push and hold it. It'll light up. And then you can hit each of your buttons. You hit that, let it go to the right amount, hit it again, and you'll have to do that for each button. Your hot water, and then we're going to do a double shot here. There you go, and it's a straight 110 volt machine, so it's just a regular outlet. Your drain, you hook up your drain underneath the machine. And if you have any other questions, please give us a call, 817-640-3131.